We're out here with this HDD Hehengda Toys H3. I call it the cootie. It's the cootie machine. There it is. It's a legend. It is a classic, no doubt. So let's start some video up. We don't want to miss out on all that, right? Let's see if we can calibrate the gyro here. And there it is, down and to the left. Let's take off. Now this thing flew pretty damn good up at the pool. The other parts of this thing were pretty crappy. Now I don't see anything happening on the screen. So it looks like it's already lost the Wi-Fi signal. So it shows that it's recording video. Let me stop the video. So it's showing that it's recording video, but it wasn't. There's nothing on the screen. So it's like it lost the bind for the quadcopter. Oh, this thing is just awful. Now it wants to go back the other way. Oh, it's just awful, man. It's just terrible. It seems like it's in some kind of headless mode, which I think it is. Hold on a minute. Okay, it was. That's what that button down there is. Headless mode. Forget the video. We're not going to have video because it didn't work. Let me restart the app here. Maybe I can get it to work. No. Okay, guys, you know, this could be one of them heading for the garbage can deals. Yeah, with it. Let me turn the Wi-Fi back off and back on. Come back here. Okay, supposedly it's connected on the Wi-Fi. I'm trying to get at least a couple of seconds of video so you guys can see some video, but it's not cooperating. And neither is this trim. I get it trimmed and it goes okay for a second and then goes nuts. Okay, so nothing's happening here. It's not connecting with the video signal at all, so I say screw that. And screw this thing. Let me just take my phone out of there and forget all that nonsense. You know, I guess it flies okay, but you know, when you buy something, you want it to work. I mean, good God. I mean, what are these people thinking to make this kind of junk? Okay, so 3 times I tried to get it connected to Wi-Fi. 1 time it worked, but it only shot the video for a couple of seconds. Trim keeps changing as it's flying. Like I said, I guess it flies okay, but I can tell you one thing, as soon as I get home, it's going right in the garbage. Okay, so that's not even an option. I'm not even sending this out. You know, I send these things out to people. I don't send junk. I'm not going to send this to somebody and them be unhappy with it. You know what I mean? That's how I do this. Like I said, it flies okay, but don't count on making any video or anything like that. So, and it flew, I think it, from what I remember, it flew good up at the pool. That video was so long ago. What I remember was back in March, I think. I'm just gonna ride out the battery. Like I said, it's flying okay, but the video's not working at all. The Wi-Fi's not connecting. Now the trim's going nuts again. Trim doesn't want to seem to hold. Huh. Oh, there goes the lights flashing. Here comes the mailman to go hide from working. Okay, the lights are flashing, yay. I don't know where the land button is. Who knows? But that one, nope, neither one of those. I don't know, man. We'll just land it. How about that? There it goes. Yay, it's over. It's all over. All right, guys, there you go. The H3, a classic, a legend.